Bharat Robotics achieves a milestone in developing Shvana, a robotic-armed quadruped UGV with completed design and mechanical integration. Electronic integration is underway, showcasing India's progress in defense technology and versatile robotics for both military and civilian applications. The Indian Air Force is extending the service life of its Su-30 MKI combat aircraft by 20 years, equipping them with indigenous technologies like the advanced Robotics radar. The IAF aims to spend over 300,000 rupees crore on indigenizing equipment from Indian firms to enhance its capabilities. Indian Navy warships in the Arabian Sea lack anti-drone systems, leaving merchant ships vulnerable. INS Talwar frigate joins efforts, but international fleets also lack specific anti-drone measures. Friendly navies create a protected corridor from the Red Sea to India's west coast to monitor vessels for potential threats. India's HAL twin-engine deck-based fighter, TEDBF prototype is on track for 2026 completion, production starting in 2032. The Naval Tejas showcases India's commitment to advancing deck-based fighters. INS Vikrant's upgrades, including advanced radar and missiles, bolster its role in maritime defense. The Rafale Marine selection reflects strategic foresight in building a formidable naval air wing. The U.S. Department of Commerce is rigorously scrutinizing General Electric's F-414 engine sale to India under ITAR. The deal includes an unprecedented 80% transfer of technology, triggering a comprehensive review by multiple U.S. government departments. Concerns about the advanced technology's security and unprecedented nature contribute to delays in finalizing the deal.